Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Java software. First, go to the Chrome and type the Java Oracle. Press enter. Here the Java software will come. Then press on the Java software. Here you directly go to the Oracle website. In that Oracle website, you have to click here. So you have to click here download Java. So when you click on the download Java option, so you have to choose your systems like Linux, MacOS or Windows. So my system is Windows. So you have to choose your compatibilities such as products or file descriptions. So you have to click like here to download the Java. So here see here JDK is automatically downloading and it is a zip file. You have to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes, depends upon your internet speed for download. So if your system is in MacOS, you have to download here, like depends upon your versions. If your system is Linux, you have to download here. Okay, let's see, it is downloading. Downloading is already finishing. Let's wait some time for finishing it. It is downloaded finished. Let's click on that and let's open the zip file. First I have to open a zip file and extract all the files. So you can extract wherever you wanted. So I will give extract on that. It is took some time to extract all the files in the zip folder to normal folders. So now it is in the normal folders. See here. So let's click on the extract all the files. With that, it is extracting. You have to wait sometimes. So in my system it already installed. So it's asking to replace these files in this location. So if I can use the skip files if you already installed. So now